yeah. I see how he's struggling without me. So this is how not to set up a tent. We've been struggling for about, what, an hour now?
Hour and a half maybe.
Yeah, pretty much. What is that now? The gazebo, right?
That is our lounge, our dining room.
Our dining, okay. This is a car, so this is what we still have to do. So we've got half an hour until it literally gets dark. Thankfully we had some help. Where is he? He's hiding. Where is he? Hector. Hector is hiding. I'm sorry, you guys. Wait, I'll get him now. There he is. There's Hector. Okay, cool. Alright, so he's helping us set up this humongous tent. Yeah. Okay, so guys, this is what we've done so far. Bit of a fuck up. But yeah, anyway. I haven't camped for a while, so yeah, there's a gap. But anyway, it's fine. Ow! There's thorns here. Ow. Beware if you come to South Africa and you see those things. There, those things, right? Okay. Ow. Going my fingers. Okay. This is the entryway. This is where the car is parked. There is the ablution box, which is very far away. Alright, I'm trying to do the windows here to try and get to them. Just hold on. There's coops. Hi, coops. We're trying to figure out how to stabilize this thing. But yeah, I don't know. I have a much simpler tent at home, but we decided to rough it this weekend. So yeah. Wish us luck.
Good morning guys. Day 2 of our camping trip. And over here is the famous stove. This is our braai area. For all you barbecue people out there, we call it a braai. No, not a bra, braai. B-R-A-A-I.
Yeah, you got that right.
And over here we have our kitchen. Oh, and my camera went down again. This camera's not holding. It's really not holding. Yeah, we got the camera and we've got Megzs. What you doing?
Hi guys. Yeah, well, camping hasn't been very successful for us actually.
Don't lie, it's been fun.
No, it's been fun, but we're gonna walk away with a few bruises. We got ants, that's why I don't have my feet on the floor. So we'd be getting invaded. I scraped my knee. Coops burnt his hair off.
Pretty much.
And yeah, but other than that, you know, I think we did pretty good for ourselves.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. And finally we have our kitchen. Alright guys, so this is, I'm going to step back and this is the complete view of our little home away from home. So yeah guys, that's it. This is day 2 of our vlogs. I'll see you in a bit. Peace. Love ya. What are you doing?
I should ask you, what are you doing?
I'm trying to put the bloody GoPro on and he's saying, no, I need to get you the shots, okay? I need to get you the shots. My views, that's what I'm doing. This is the Cooper way to do it, okay? I know it's not the right way, but screw it. I can do it, it'll make it work. It'll make it work. I'm not talking to you like, this is a weird way to talk to you guys.
You sound like an Irish Scottish
That's a weird way to talk to you guys, right? Hey, yo.
Okay, don't like let it fall now. Okay guys, so we have got our bag in the tent there. And we're heading off in that direction. But we'll show you shortly. Run, Cliffs! You forgot the tubes. Watch your head. Ah!
Now we're going nowhere.
Let's go!
It's like my fashionable GoPro handy
I do.
watch thingy device.
Looks very cool.
It's actually practical.
Well, let's see. You know, the best way to see is if you test it out. I don't think I'm holding this straight. Sorry guys, I'm a horrible videographer, or whatever you call it.
You're awesome. Camera over there.
Aww. See how charming he can be when he's got a few drinks in him. Okay guys, so these are the other campsites. There's Coops. Coops is as happy as can be. It's nice to see him in his element. I almost had it. But yeah, big ass poofy slide. There's another hot swimming pool on the other side. You having fun, Coops?
Yeah, jeez. It's difficult.
Alright guys, we officially made it to our destination while Coops blows up our tubes. Which he's doing a pretty good job of considering he's a smoker, but yeah, anyway, let me show you around. There's a hot swimming pool, there's a bar on top there, there's a pool table, lovely music playing, there's a hall through there with the bathrooms. There's a bikini bar which is not open at the moment because there's not enough people. You got this, Coops.
Okay, almost.
Don't give up. Alright, and then we'll check in just now. You can do it! Go! Yes! Alright! We should get that in slow-mo. Wow.
Megzs is gonna try it. Let's see what she does. You got this. Yeah, you got this. It's not in gear.
I'm gonna get you back for this.
Love ya. How was it? It's not that bad.
No, I feel like a drowned rat. No.
Well done.
No.
Well done.
It's terrible. Don't make me do that again.
You're gonna go in the hot waterfall?
Yes.
All right.
Hello there. So this is what happens after a few drinks. We're about to play Uno. I don't know if you people know what Uno is.
No, they know
yeah.
what Uno is.
How do they not know what Uno is? I think we gotta teach them.
They know what Uno is.
Okay, cool. It's the one game that can separate and bring families together. So that's the bar.
guys, so far day 2, awesome lunch, awesome day at the pool.
Yeah, we had a hamburger.
Hamburger. So that's day 2 so far, so no, we're just gonna chill and relax.
Wait, Uno.
Do me a favor, just give this video a thumbs up if you like it so far. Love you guys.
Bye, Sam.
Okay guys, let's check on our final vlog. Right, what's some camping? Okay, we had a huge, what is it, so huge? Windmill thingy.
Yeah, windmill.
Yeah,
Oh,
huge
yes,
windmill.
mate.
I'll show you. I'm gonna show you guys around. But this is the last stop of our awesome camping weekend.
In Megzs.
You got it's like.
There's just on the windmill.
Check this out. Check this out. Hey guys. Okay.
You guys windmill. The farmer's market.
So yeah, let's go take a look. Ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Next.
Mango.
Dried up mango.
The best mango you can get in South Africa.
Mmm.
Yeah. Still walking the park a bit. This is we have to go home now. I'm procrastinating.
I don't want to go home.
No, I also don't. Look at the beautiful flowers.
Check this out, guys. There.
And the big ass windmill.
That's our one more.
Oh, the flowers. Maybe they don't sell these, actually.
Oh, those flowers?
Yeah.
I don't know, I think they might. Yeah. So that's it. What's on there?
A bridge, I think.
We know it's a bridge.
Let's go see what's over the bridge.
Hope
Hey,
it's
squirrel. Build the bridge and climb over it.
nah.
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 You going?
Nah.
Yeah.
What? Pull the bridge and come over.
Yeah. And here we go. We're gonna walk over the bridge. Hopefully we don't fall through.
Hope we paid the toll. The toll.
Sacrifice it on. Garden just goes on forever. It's like the botanical garden. You can see the dam over there. Yeah, let's go check out the market.
Okay, let's go to the market. Quick.
Going to the market. She's pretty.
Yeah. We can see that on the camera.
Whoops.
So guys, that is our weekend vlog so far. I would show you the shop, but I don't think it's a good idea.
Some people have a very finicky thing about if you're recording. There's a kitty!
Where's the kitty?
There by the chair.
Where?
By the
Oh, there's a kitty! Down there! Yeah, you see that's... What is it, Joe? That's why we can't record in shops. Yeah.
Policy against commercial filming.
Yeah, that's kind of bad.
Yeah, I know, right?
But it was a fun weekend.
It was a brilliant weekend. I loved it.
Alright guys, we're gonna walk into the little flea market side and then get in the car and drive back home. And that is the end of our best camping vlog 2019 edition. So do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and you know what to do, smash that subscribe button but turn the notification button. Okay? Love you fam.
Bye fam.